Wednesday, August 30th. One more day of summer months, and then it's Labor Day weekend. What? Crazy. All right, so Idalia is on her way. She's already started sprinkling here. So they've canceled school tomorrow, I guess because of flooding and the torrential rains. I'm sure we'll be fine, but poor people in Florida, it's a lot. All right, let me tell you what I've got. It's time to think about winter hats and Christmas knitting, right? So we got in some super bulky Rasta. They had plenty of stock, and so I got in some colors for you to start thinking about your winter hats, right? So we got in this beautiful Immortal, which I think is a new color, and I have some pom-poms. I have more on the way. Check that out. What? You know I love it. And then this is Rosalinda, which is always gorgeous. Check that out. Lavender. What? Perfect. Then there's Ravelry Red, which anything would go with, right? This is a Bella Electrica, and I don't have it in, but there is a hot pink and an orchid. There are two different pom-poms. They're on their way to come with something like that. This is a new one called Molina, and Molina is a bunch of different colors all mixed. So I thought this amazing denim colored pom-pom would set that off perfectly. I love some sunset, not orange, not gold. And this butterscotch, I got it going on. Then this is a beautiful boomerang, turquoise and purple. I've got purple coming in, I've got teal coming in. That would work. And this one is Indicita. You know we love Indicita. This particular Indicita is very dark and green, so I thought this hunter green would look really nice with this. I guess also this one would look amazing, right? So many choices, so many choices. I forgot to tell you, my sister and I were lucky enough to go to a baby shower when I was up in Minnesota, and I got to see my cousins, who second cousins or whatever. Both of our grandmothers were sisters, so both of our parents are deceased, so we are now the matriarchs. What? Anyway, it was great to see them, and my cousin Chris is a prolific knitter, and she watches me every day, so hi Chris. And oh my gosh, she knits baby sweaters, children's sweaters, because they're small and lovely and they're fast. She has so many gorgeous baby sweaters. Unbelievable. She's just a knitting machine. I loved looking at everything she made. So she gave me a project. I'm working on it. Just help her out to find some yarn for a pattern. So there you go. All right. That's enough blabbering. I hope Idalia is kind to us, and I will see you tomorrow. Hopefully I will get a video made before I leave town. If not, I will see you Tuesday. Have a great Labor Day if I don't see you tomorrow.